Tips for effective fume extraction. Airflow. It's important to make sure you have the proper airflow in your system to have effective fume extraction. Without enough airflow, your extraction point will not have enough suction to extract your fume from your source process. A properly configured extraction arm will give you a much larger working space and ensure that fume doesn't escape into your workplace atmosphere. Make sure that the conveying velocity or suction power is suitable for your type of fume that you are creating. Improper conveying velocity can lead to dust buildup in the extraction arm or duct system. Positioning your extraction hood is important. It's always best to use an at-source capture method whenever possible to keep harmful fumes from entering your breathing zone. Generally, the closer the hood, the better. Some hoods have better designs, allowing them to be effective at drawing air from farther away, giving you a larger working space, and may reduce the need to continually reposition the extraction arm. Cross drafts. While it can get warm in most buildings where fume extraction is necessary, try to reduce the amount of cross draft in the area that you're working in. Turning your workspace fan away from your working surface is ideal. Alternatively, while performing the task that creates a fume, temporarily turn off the fan so you can increase your system's ability to capture as much of your fume generated as possible. Visit www.nederman.com for more information on fume extraction products and see how we can help you breathe clean.